from Infocon Automation Private Limited, Chennai, India. Are you seeking to start your career in the field of industrial automation? We got the opportunities for engineers, fresh or experienced professionals to kickstart your career with core industries, 100% job-oriented training, 100% placement assistance, 100% real-time, hands-on practical training. We offer industrial automation and control system training with PLC SCADA DCS SIS drives training through both online, virtual instructor-led training, and on-premises classroom instructor-led training. Major brands of automation systems: Siemens, Allen Bradley, AB, Mitsubishi, Schneider, with PLC SCADA drives, Emerson DeltaV DCS and SIS training, Honeywell EPKS C300 DCS training, AB 800XA DCS training, Siemens PCS7 DCS training. Excellent job openings in both domestic and abroad. For more information, WhatsApp our team will be glad to assist you in this opportunity.